heard someone plotting mischief and decided to play along. Would you like to try my latest beverage? Sparkling water with ice mint. It's delicious. Does that mean you like it? I might have bumped it while sleeping somewhere. It doesn't stop me from staying hydrated, though. Should we start devising a strategy for the cats, given your knack for planning? You're doing a great job as the chief caretaker. The cats all seem to like you. Maybe we just need to keep things as they are for now. If sitting here isn't giving you any ideas, how about lying down for a bit? I'm not a real cat, so I don't know how to make them happy. But I'm sure any creature fond of sleep would appreciate a comfy den. All of those sound great. Anything works, really. Huh? Why do we need to go to a pet health consultancy? Sleeping is not the issue. But if you keep messing with my tail, its shedding might be. It's good for you to provide voiceovers, but it'd be even better to help me handle some of these kitties. Oh, how did the consultation go? It's another story. Can the diligent caretaker finally relax about me now? I'm far healthier than them. Unlike this one, drinking too little water, or that one, eating too fast. Already a professional caretaker, huh? Maybe we'll learn some scientific methods here that will encourage cats to drink. A pinch of calcium powder, a pump of fish oil. If catnip is for cats, then what do we call mint for humans? I can't believe it's not working. See? Both of you have the same speechless expression. There are dried cat grass sticks at the cafe. We stored them away because customers kept tripping on them. Should we repurpose them? First, you need to pick out cat grass with just the right firmness. You handled my tail with such vigor, and now you're so careful with these? Try tying it a bit tighter, like this. Don't worry, the dried cat grass is pretty resilient. It won't snap. Let's just give these to them, and we can make more back home. They're so tough. Nothing can beat them except for freeze-dried treats. That depends on whether you like them or not. For most people, it's probably a happy chore. It's like how you fuss over my shedding tail, but can't get enough of it. Am I wrong? Should we ask it then? I stand corrected. It said you were right. This is a very honest tale. It's more about safety. A confined space can make cats feel more secure. The center is soft, ideal for comfort, while the wool-felt exterior helps them keep their claws sharp. It's practical and stylish. Should we get one? Just doing a quality check. Come here. Stay put. Look over here. This piece of news will shake the cat world. This little kitty has been shadowing you for a while now. You got what you wanted. Now behave. It's wearing a collar. Seems like it wandered off on its own.
A black and white cat with a blue collar was found. If you are its owner, please come to the temporary shelter to retrieve your pet.
For all we know, it could be thinking something like, "What a perfect day. I got a biscuit and a new toy." I don't think the cafe has enough space for everything. You'll probably end up stuffing the extras at my place for me to use. And to think, the first bed you ever bought me is actually for a cat. I probably shouldn't eat cat grass. Besides, your hard work made mine seem pointless. Hold on. Try this first. If the caretaker is so pleased, can I push my luck a bit? I'd like the caretaker to join me. How about adding this? I already unpacked everything else. What about a break? So, are you satisfied with my service? I'd be happy to oblige. I don't recall seeing it. Maybe a kitty hid it somewhere? Well, it could be. In the cat world, if you leave your scent on something, it's yours. Since we both used this cushion, no other kitties can have it. It looks like they had fun. There's cat fur everywhere. I can't tell which one is for me and which one is for the kitties. No worries, I'll do a taste test. Oh.
Coming! Uh-huh. It says it wants a drink that looks like the one in the picture.
Let me look at that flyer. A silver transparent spaceship with a twinkling nebula. The catnip you've planted might just come in handy. Add a ring and wings to the bowl. Here we go. As for the nebula, I have an idea. It seems to be slowly coming back. Let me guess. What's the caretaker thinking with that regretful look? Is it the tail or the ears? As far as I know, cats shed twice a year, and each period lasts 6 months. Want to switch tasks? You can tackle the yarn balls instead. Getting into arts and crafts now? Hold on a second. This blanket feels almost as soft as my tail, and this toy, squeezing these when you're stressed can really help. You couldn't hide your longing for my ears and tail, and when the cat curse is finally lifted, you'll miss them, won't you? I knew it. Oh? Like what? Then let's make the most of this cat curse and waste even more time together. It's this kitty's. It's getting late. The noise might disturb the neighbors, so I'll hold on to it for now. It's been trying to escape outside a lot lately. Unless we tire it out, the other kitties won't get any sleep tonight. But that's not the main goal here. The sun is gone, but the stars are twinkling tonight. Why don't we go starbathe together?